some for our bundle, our third bundle that we're doing. You guys have all done an excellent job. I'm so proud of you. We're going to start with the first one, lesson 27. Okay, everybody. Up here it says, look at the example, then solve. Understanding putting shapes together. Okay, guys, what you're going to need to do this is you're going to need to cut out your shapes, which are attached in this, in this area right here. And we're going to go over where it says you can put shapes together. Oops, sorry, I've been spray painting. You can put shapes together to make new shapes. So right here we have two squares make a rectangle. So you have one square and two squares make a rectangle. Everybody say two squares make a rectangle. Good job. And then we have two trapezoids which look like this. Let's see that trapezoid, the top one right there. Two trapezoids make a hexagon. This is where you're going to use your shapes. You're going to go through your shapes. You're going to look for your trapezoid. There's one trapezoid. And whoopsie, one trapezoid. And then here is your next one. It says two trapezoids make a hexagon. Everybody say that with me. Two trapezoids make a hexagon. Good job. And the last one, it says three rhombuses. Everybody say rhombuses. Three rhombuses make a hexagon. So let's do this one. Here's our first. There's a rhombus right here. Okay. The second one is going to go, sorry guys. The second one is going to go like this. And then you're going to put your third one right here. Okay. And that makes a hexagon. So two squares make a what, everybody? Good job. Two trapezoids make a what? And three rhombuses make a good job. Now we're going to move down here. It says, use pattern blocks of shapes from the pattern block sheet. If you don't have that, you can just draw the different shapes. This one is going to be a trapezoid, the triangle, the rhombus, and then we have this one also. So you have these four that you need to draw, please. Okay, so what we're going to do, and this one is a hexagon. Sorry about that, guys. What you're going to do now, it says here, show two ways to put together shapes to make a trapezoid. We're going to use, first we're going to do, so we're going to find two shapes that fit in here. Let's see, does that one fit in there? What do you think? Could you fit another one in there? Let's see. Does that look like a, what's everybody think? Would that fit? Does that look like the same thing? No. What else do you think we could fit in there that might work? Let's see, look at your shapes and try to decide what two things are going to fit in here and what two things are going to fit in here to make a trapezoid. Show different ways to make a hexagon. Let's see, a hexagon has how many sides? Show different ways to make a hexagon. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Let's say, look, let's try to maybe use a rhombus in here. What do you think? What else could we fit in here to make a triangle? Let's see. Let's see. What could go right here? Oh, what about this? Think we can fit that together to work? Yeah. If you thought about this, put your thumbs up. Okay, and you guys show three other ways, please. Okay, we're going to be working on our problem 3.1 that says composing shapes. Okay, guys, so here's our problem. It says here, get our marker, please. It says here, it says, how many fewer shells does Bridget have than Jackie? Remember the other day we did a problem that was similar to this, right? Remember that? So we were asking us to add, or count on, or subtract, or go back. Okay, so that's our problem for today. So it's talking about how many fewer shells does Bridget have than Jackie. So let's look at our sheet. Here's Katie again. Do we need to find out how many shells Katie has? Oh, sorry. No, I'm gonna mark that out. What about, let's see, Bridget? Do we need to know how many fewer shells does Bridget have than Jackie? Yes, yeah, good job. So we're gonna go ahead and circle Jackie's. Jackie has how many shells? Good. And then it says, how many fewer shells does Bridget have than Jackie? So let's see. Oh, look, here's Bridget right here. Let's circle that one. So we need to know about Bridget and Jackie. Go ahead and scratch these out. We don't need to know about how many shells they have. Okay, so let's see. How many fewer shells does Bridget have? So we need to know how many fewer shells Bridget has, right? How many fewer shells Bridget has than Jackie? Do you think we can do this a couple ways, can't we? Okay, we can start with 4 and go to 9, like we did it last time. Remember, we start on our number line, start at 4. See how many hops it takes us to go to 9. Everybody count with me. 4 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hops did we take? So how many fewer shells does Bridget have than Jackie? See how we did that? We kind of changed it around and kind of went forward by doing an addition problem like we did last time. Okay? You can do it the other way too. You can start with what number? Start with the higher number 9, and you can go right the other direction. You can go backwards. Good job. So you're going to start with 9, and you're going to go back how many? You're going to go back how many? Right. So let's count back. There would be 5, right? Because 9 minus 4 equals 5. So she has 5 fewer shells than Bridget has 5 fewer shells than Jackie, right? Good job. What's another way you could do it? What do you think? Right, you can just write out if you want to. 9 minus 4. We know fewer always means to do what? Right, to subtract. Okay. So, let's kind of break this up. We have 9. Jackie has 9 shells. Can we split that up in some equal parts? We sure can, you're right. What number do you want to use? What do you think? There's a few numbers we could use. If you count by 3s, let's see if we can do that evenly. 3, 6, 9. Good job. Let's divide that 9 into 3 equal parts, okay? So what kind of shape should we use? Do you think we should use one of the ones that we used earlier? Right, yeah. How about a trapezoid? Good. Up like this, right? Oopsie, didn't draw it very well. Let's try that again. Sorry about that. I'm going to draw the shape down here. Go down like that. A trapezoid, okay? And we're going to divide that into how many equal parts? Right, we're going to do it to 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. We need another one, don't we? To make 6. And another one to make 9. Okay, right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we had 3 shells that fit into these trapezoids, how many trapezoids would we have altogether that the shells fit in if we had 9? Right, we would have 3. What about the number 4? Let's see, let's divide that. What do you think? Just maybe 2? 2 equal parts? Okay, let's try that. And what shape should we use? You just want to use a square, okay? Divide it into 2. And another square, and divide that into 2 to make how many equal parts to make 4? Could we go ahead and make a problem out of this to find out what our answer would be? Sure, yeah, if you want to do it this way. You could say 9 minus 4, right? So what is 9 minus 4? Okay, good job. I just kind of tell you guys how you can divide these into equal parts. Good job, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. We're going to get ready to play our total 10 game. The directions are You need a standard dice or a dice app. If you don't have one, I can show you how to make one at the end of the video. But I thought I'd get kind of different, and I just found a block outside, and I made this into a dice that we can play with all together. And then it says counters like beans in 2 different colors. So remember how we played the game in Nigeria, which was kind of like this, and I used the pumpkin seeds. You can get any type of counters and put it on your game board, but the game board looks like this on the back. Okay, and then it says total 10 game board, which we have. Okay, are we ready? But I'm going to play it a little differently. It says player 1 rolls the dice, says the number, then plays the number of counters on their game board. So let's just do this. This is how you would play if you have the game board. So I'm going to roll it. Oh, what number is that? Everybody count it. Good job. Going to look back on our game board, and I might even want to use my shapes that I already cut out. If you don't have any game, anything to put on there, any counters, you may use your shapes. So we got 4. So it's 1, it's my go, 2, 3, 4. The next person goes and they lay their items on here. You wait till you get to the very top. If you roll, like let's say I rolled again, I'm gonna roll again. Let's see, ta-da! What's the number? I got a 5, I'm gonna put 5 more on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the other person goes. Or if you want, you can play this by yourself too. Other person goes and they roll and they put their game pieces on here. Then it's my turn. I only have 1 left, but I roll a 3. Oh no, guess what? I'm not gonna be able to go. I just have to kind of lose my turn and wait till I roll a 1. What does this game kind of remind you of? They played a game like this in Nigeria. But instead of counting to 10, how many did they have on each side? Right, they had 6, and they picked up the beans and counted them instead of rolling them. Okay, guys, so I made my own little game board here and thought maybe we can try to play this way together. Everybody ready? All right, here's our shapes that we have. Here's our dice. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna roll it right on our game board. What number did I get? 2. Okay. So instead of just laying down the game pieces, I'm actually going to make different shapes with these. Here we go. So this is going to be my go. I'm going to put one here. And I'm going to put another shape here. Oh my goodness. I used 2 what to make right, 2 triangles to make a square. Good job. Now, oh my goodness, now classroom family, now it's your go. This is your roll. I'm gonna pick it up and roll it on here. Oh, another 2. Okay, we're gonna take our pieces. I don't know, that's gonna have to be 1 for 3 because it takes 3 spaces up. What about this one? No, that one's gonna be too big too. That one's gonna take up 3. I guess I have to make the same kind of shape. I'll put this one here. Okay, let's see. Like this, and there's the second one, and I'll put this one on the other side. That's 2. Okay, it's my go. Let me roll again. Give it a big roll. What number did I get? I got a 2, 3, 4. I got a 5. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can take up all these spaces. So let's see. I'm going to use this one. This will take up 1, 2, 3. And let's see what other shape I can use. What about this one? What do you think? Will that one go in there? I need to take up 2 more spaces. 4, 5. If I scoot it down a little bit. Okay, good job. We're making all kinds of different shapes and moving our way up the game board. Okay, you guys, your turn. Costume family. Oh, we didn't roll again. You guys just got a 2. Let me do a little bigger roll. Oh, we got a 2 again. Let's try it. Okay, this number is going to be a 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, to come out very well. A 6. We got 6. Let's see. So you can take up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about this? Can we use this shape? Yeah. What shape is this? Good job, guys. We're going to put it right. Let me see how we can fit it. Oh no, can we fit it on here? Let's see if we go 1, 2, 3, we can put it right here on 6 and maybe try to fit another shape in here. What shape could we fit? Should we try this one? Yay, it will fit. So it will fit in there like this. Good job. Okay, I think we need probably 2 more rolls, then we're done. Okay, my turn. Gonna roll it. What number did I get? Oh my goodness, I have exact 1, 2, 3. I only have 1 left. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use this here, like this. Oh no, I can't do it. It won't fit. Let me see. What about this one? No, that one's too big. Let's try this one. Let's see. Huh. Oh yeah, maybe. No, it's not gonna work. Oh no, I can't do it. I think I have to rearrange some of my shapes, don't you? So I'm gonna take this one off. Gonna put this one here. Oh, I don't know. Oh, maybe this one. We could try, yeah, that one fits, doesn't it? And that takes up the rest of the shapes. So this is just a different way to play. If you would please play this one. And if you want to, you can use these shapes the same way. And you can make different shapes as you go up until you get to 10. Thanks, guys. Hi, guys. Shapes are everywhere. We finished our game. We made a square by putting 2 shapes together. We also have everybody ready? Trapezoid. And then we also have a rhombus. See what shapes you can make.